Good morning, students and listeners. Hope you are all doing well and are pink of health during this pandemic period. Before moving further, let me introduce myself. My name is Tejas Purokya. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering BE in Instrumentation and Control in 2014 and my Master of Engineering in Instrumentation and Control Engineering in 2016. After that, I have joined as a researcher in different projects related to environment. My first project is related to air pollution over Ahmedabad, and from that I came in contact with this college. Currently, I am working on a project related to satellite remote sensing and land surface temperature. So many of you from here will know me, as I have been working here since 2016. My expertise is in the field of remote sensing, GIS, programming, modeling, and instrumental electronics. Students, we have gathered here for the subject PPH 3803. I will be teaching you Unit 3 and Unit 4. Unit 3 is Numerical Methods with Python and Mathematica, and Unit 4 is Physics with Python and Mathematica. I am here to help you in learning Python. If this would be a classroom environment, we will be introducing ourselves, but since it is virtual and that to a recorded video, I will be the only one speaking here. I want you all to introduce yourself on our WhatsApp group which we have created earlier. Let's check who is actually watching this video and who has actually completely watched this video. Moving further, I am here to give you an overview related to syllabus we are going to cover. Introduction syllabus. Today's target will be a syllabus overview and objectives of this subject. What will be you will be gaining from this subject. I'm not saying we will cover all aspects of the syllabus. We will cover maximum of it. I will just give you a brief overview of the syllabus. I am going to assist Kuldeep sir in this subject. Kuldeep ji will teach you Mathematica. He has already uploaded 2 lectures related to Introduction to Mathematica, while my focus will be on Python. Before giving description of the units, let me make it clear that I will be showing you how to implement the concept using Python platform. I won't be showing you the theory. We'll be actually designing the code for each and every unit as per our understanding. Your algorithmic development, computational skill development will be done here. So let's move further. Your Unit 3, that is Numerical Methods with Python and Mathematica, will comprise of the following topics. It will cover Introduction to Python, Introduction to Mathematica, Solving Numerical Method, System of Linear and Algebraic Equation, Interpolation, Curve Fitting Roots of Equation, Numerical Differentiation and Integration, IVP, that is Initial Value Problem, and Matrix Algebra. At the end of this, you will be able to apply numerical method concepts using Python platform and Mathematica platform. You can solve computational problems by working their own code, and you can offer your own code over different platforms too. At the end of this, you can develop your algorithmic thinking, that is a process of writing a program for a computational problem and giving a solution to a method. Unit 4, that is Physics with Python and Mathematica, will comprise of 2 major topics, that is classical and quantum mechanics. The classical mechanics will cover Newtonian mechanics, central forces, calculus variation, Lagrange dynamics, Hamilton dynamics, while quantum mechanics will cover Spinozzi equation, one-dimensional potential, harmonic oscillator and harmonic oscillator, and motion in central force and field. At the end of this unit, if done completely by you will be able to apply concept of physics using Python and Mathematica. You will gain a computational knowledge of this subject, and of course your computational skills, which is required professional field into this era, will be developed. As mentioned, I am already sure that you have covered all of this topic, that was the theory part, in your previous year, in the previous semester. So you have to just need to scratch a little and revise this topic as per yourself. You will be focusing on designing the code and algorithm. One point I miss is related to closed loop. Assignment will be provided at the end of each lecture on Moodle, either in the form of MCQs or written ones will also be discussed further. When we talk about written one assignments, I will be providing you written assignments like questions will be provided you, and you have to submit the code and the output result in form of images or Word file. But this all things will be discussed further during the lecture. So don't worry guys, just keep catching the pace of word. Let's end our session here and meet up next time. In our next lecture, we will go for installation of Python and generation of your Google Colab account. Till then, goodbye, have a good day, and thank you for listening to me. Thank you very much.